Hello and welcome to talentboiler.com. On this site you will find some tools that can support your online dating. Specifically, these are tools that automate Tinder use, so you can spend your time in more rewarding activities. At the moment there are two tools, the Tinder Smart Auto Liker and the Tinder Send Mass Message. There will be other features coming in time, so stay tuned. I will go through the process of signing up and running the tools now so you can see how it works. So let's assume this is my Tinder account. You can see here I'm on Tinder.com and I want to sign up for this site, for Talent Boiler, so I can use the tools. So the first step is to get the Tinder treats. So this is the subscription that allows me to use the tools. So let's select. And we need to sign up using the number that we use on Tinder. So in this case, I will sign up with the number of that account that I just showed you. So 498 6622. And I will fill the rest of the information. This is the email address where you will receive updates on when the tools have completed. So the runs have completed. I will add a credit card here. Just use battery. Okay. Submit. And now we signed up for the Tinder treats. What we can do now is we can launch the Tinder Auto Liker and the Tinder Mass Message. And we have a console where we can track the processes. So at the moment you can see we have no process pending. So now let's start by launching the Tinder Auto Liker. So what we have to do is we have to add our phone number again. This because you can also run it without logging in. So I can even log out and then just run it. For example, from my mobile phone, it will just run. As long as you have an active subscription, it will run. So let's choose the 10-minute option. And here the tip, start it before running a super boost, just because it's more efficient. You will, more profiles, more female or profiles from the other sex will see your profile during that time while the boost or super boost runs. So let's start it. And now we are receiving a code from Tinder itself that we need to verify. So I received it on the phone, 869036. Let's verify it. Okay, SMS code is registered, initializing Auto Liker. Now we can go to the console again. This is just the console where we can track the status. So we can see Auto Liker process is in status SMS sent. It can sometimes take a minute to process a request. Total minutes 10. We can refresh the page to get the updates. As I said, as it says here, it can take up to a minute to start because there is a whole engine in the background that will process your requests. So we can see now it's in status initialized. So it's not yet running, but we can see that the engine has picked it up because the status has changed to initialized. Okay, we can see now that the Auto Liker is running and it has started at 8:12, so it will take 10 minutes. When the run is complete, or if we have an error, we will get an email. So I opened the inbox already, so we can see we have the sign up. Thank you, right, for signing up. And we will get the update on the Auto Liker here. Obviously, we can now close, we can do whatever we want. We cannot launch it again. It will block us from launching the Auto Liker or the Send Mass Message at this stage because there is a process that is running. So only when it's in done or when it's not yet in done, not yet started, you can overwrite it with a new request. But you can only run one process at the time. So I will see you in 10 minutes. Okay, we are now back. We can see it started 12 past 8. It's now 23 past 8. So let's refresh. Okay, AutoLiker process is complete. Last update at... So it finished in time, 22. Total minutes 10. So at this point, we should have received an email. So we can see here, AutoLiker finished. Profile liked 154 and disliked 33. If you want to see details on the logic in the AutoLiker, just check out the other videos on this YouTube channel. So we have now liked 154 new profiles in those 10 minutes. We can obviously start it again and run it for longer if you want. Now let's move to the send Tinder mass message, which is a similar functionality. It also works with the same logic. So we add the phone number, we add the message. So let's add something. Yeah, so let's add the sentence here that I sent already. So, hey, sweetie, how about we meet this week? And I send it to all profiles that are within the reach of 200 miles because I'm going to move to the north part of Switzerland. So this is just a demonstration. It sends a message every 4 to 8 seconds. So this one takes a little time, 4 to 8 seconds, because we don't want to get banned. So we try to replicate a human behavior. It just picks a number between 4 and 8, and then it just waits between sending a message and another. So let's see, we can start this one. It will be the same process again. We have to verify the SMS code that we get from Tinder once again. Okay, we received the code 587. Oh, did it take 586 764. Yeah, this is the last one. So 6. Yeah, verify. Again, SMS code is registered, initializing, send mass message. Check the progress in your console. And we can see here the status. Send mass message for this phone number. Your phone number is in status SMS sent. Can take a minute. Message. Oi, okay, we have an issue here. I will fix that so it displays it correctly here, but it will send it correctly to the Tinder contacts. So let's see where we are. Okay, it's initialized now. Again, it can take a minute or so to get started. And again, we can just close it. We can very easily just open the website on our phone without logging into your console. You can just go to send in the mass message, enter your details, send, and just close the app, and it will run in the background. It just registers it in the database, and then you are good to go, and everything is done asynchronously. So, and you can go back if you want to see the status, something is not right, and you can go here and check. Okay, let's have a look here. Okay, refreshed. We can see now it's running, right? So you can see here already it's sending messages. So you can see this is a minute ago. No, it's actually right now. So it's just sending the messages to these contacts, which is quite convenient. You don't have to do anything manually. All the matches and all the contacts. So all of these that are within a 200 or 150 miles of distance will be contacted. Okay, so it looks like it completed sending the messages. So let's have a look at the console. Yeah, so it's in status completed now. And so we're done. Again, here we receive a summary email when it's completed. So we sent 48 messages now. Can log out. Yeah, so this is how it works. Thank you for watching.